Hi, this is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents. Spring is here, and that means open house season. So here are some quick do's and don'ts for buyers and sellers. First, for the buyers, don't look past the staging and focus on the layout, the storage, and the condition. And don't say everything out loud because the sellers may be listening and watching, and it could affect your future negotiations. Do ask questions, though. The agent is there to help. And please, no big groups, and leave your food and drinks in the car. It's still someone's home. Also, take a minute to check out the neighborhood. It matters just as much as the house. And here are some tips for sellers. Don't leave during the open house. Buyers feel much more comfortable without you there. And don't over-personalize. Keep it neutral so that buyers can picture themselves living there. Do make it inviting, though. Lights on, fresh air, clean and clutter-free. And don't forget the curb appeal. First impressions really do count. Finally, secure your valuables just to be on the safe side. Open houses are a great opportunity, but a little preparation goes a long way. Have you ever been to an open house that felt just a bit off? I'd love to hear about it. If you're thinking about buying or selling, let's chat. Travis and I would love to help. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And please, if you have any family or friends thinking about making a move, we would really appreciate your referrals. Thanks again for listening.